Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're going to get this injection pump installed, so let's get to work. Okay guys, so we got the injection pump slid into place, the keyway lined up, and now we're going to go ahead and get our nuts started on there and getting it tightened up. All right guys, so the torque spec on this nut is 125 foot-pounds, so we're going to go ahead and take care of that now. All right guys, there's 125. All right guys, so we got a head start on getting the injection pump in. So we got the pump in, got it torqued down, and got the fuel lines back on it and the fuel line retainers. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow when we continue the process. All right, what's up guys? So my brothers came into town, helped us build a downpipe. So we got to get that installed and our tailpipe on the truck. So we still got to get that done. The injection pump, we almost have it on. It's all the way on complete. We're just waiting to finish up some little pieces, the coolant reservoir and a couple other little small things. As soon as we get those done, we'll bleed the fuel lines and we'll give a start up on this thing. All right guys, so we got our full exhaust on from the turbo back. We had this tip that came with the exhaust. It's a 5-inch tip. Let me know what you guys think. Should we run it or should we stay with the 4-inch stainless tip all the way out? So let's get a look underneath it and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so it's kind of hard to see what we got going on down here, but you can kind of see up in there, downpipe is made, comes through, and then we have the rest of our exhaust all the way out the back. So that's a look at it. So now let's get back under the hood and look at that injection pump. Also guys, my 2 younger brothers came down and helped me make this exhaust system. So I'm gonna go ahead and tag both their Instagrams in this part of the video so you guys can go check them out on Instagram. All right guys, so in this video, you're gonna see our first startup. We went ahead and got our full exhaust on and got that injection pump installed. So let's go ahead and listen to that startup now. All right guys, so we got those injectors bled out. It took a little bit, but we got them bled out. Once they bled out, it took a couple more spin overs and then it started right up. All right guys, so on this wiring for the alternator, it was only a 2 wiring setup that we had to do. It was actually the same 2 wires that was on the V10 engine. All you have to do is remove your white wire and get you a pigtail, and then you can just wire those wire colors straight up to the alternator and it'll work. All right, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and catch us on our next video.